Hello, hello, hello. We are back. I want to switch this time frame. It's bullish on the lower time frame, bullish on the intraday as well. I forget to keep on updating this during the stream because I know my alignment with it. Higher time frame is still bearish for me. I'll also hook this account up. If there's any trades we'll take, maybe we'll try to do it on the same funded account that we did here, like yesterday. Probably no more of those flip a coin type of trades. And I think we'll save those for a throwaway day. Okay, right now there's definitely a lot of trades you could take. This is a trade that I took in AM here in Discord. We got a clear breaker, a inversion, a nice displacement through it, delivered a breaker, unicorn entry, inside of 50 minute fair value gap as well. We close above, retap back in, target the internals, and if you let even stop, the theme of the day was let trail your runners and let her ride, and ride we did. So you live stream the afternoon. I trade in the morning. I live stream the PM. That's just kind of my schedule. Basically the free streams are on YouTube. Or yeah, free streams on YouTube for PM. Lately though, last few days I haven't been streaming for morning. I just been trading actively in the chat, which we got in that chat trade there. It's a tough day today. I feel like if I was too eager here, look how strong this price action was. Part of me don't like to short blindly. I like to wait for a clean setup for entry model. So playing the downside, the New York Open here, we just kept on grinding down, and then boom, take London lows, sell off. There's really no clean entry for me. You're just kind of playing the buys. You want to play the daily lows, you want to take the Asia lows, and keep on selling. I tend to not chase or not like chasing, so I opt for waiting for the setup. And this was the only really clean one. We got flip on the higher time rate, which is the intraday, and then we also got flip on the 1 minute there, clean breaker stuff. This is the only really setup I got in the morning session. I didn't really find anything in the whole morning session here. So after I took that trade, I wasn't really paying attention that much. Now we're here. I was trying to short AM. My bias right just got stopped many times due to the aggressive pullbacks. That it was really aggressive. It depends on the entry. If you're the theme today, like in hindsight, is like you take an entry and put your stop at the recent high. If it's short, if it's long, you put the recent low. Just basically where the internals are at. I'm gonna clean up my chart a little bit. So we've just been grinding up with no internals taken. So basically, if you're bullish, you wanna, let's say you were logging somewhere down here, you just put a stop at the internal low and just let it ride. That's if I did that case, I followed that instruction. This is where a lot of us in the Discord belong here. If we let it ride, that would be 300 points already. $972 non-farm payroll data highs. I think data highs was it not here already? I'm pretty sure it's taken. Unless you're talking about ES. ES is still lagging behind a little bit. But nevertheless, I still I saved these accounts. I traded my Apex already. I haven't traded these accounts yet. These are accounts, fresh accounts here. 6K profits, very close to payout. I want to grow them smart this time instead of like yesterday was a kind of like a gamble. Let's do this for real this time, guys. And to recap, there was CPI today. How many played CPI? If you're in Discord as well, I was talking in the chat about where my entry and my stop was. I believe we did. Let me just pull up CPI 830. It was this drop here. It's about basically a 90.8 point drop from that open to the low. It was pretty aggressive though. I believe we did like I think 820 somewhere for 60 points, like that, and then we also put our stop at the highs. It was this high here at 878. So this is what we did. How many people played it and how many people succeeded? I believe this is what I had and what I showed everyone. Opened up in the midpoint here. Played the downside, upside. We got filled on the downside, and it was a nice flush and passed some accounts there. I believe Ryan also did that too. He showed a gamble evals. I basically showed what we did. We're gonna do the same thing. Probably tomorrow. I don't really have any more accounts to do anymore since I passed them already. I'm loaded with Apex. I'm working on grind funded. I don't really have anything, but it's worth a shot still. How do you set limits? You do buy stop orders. And I have playing session videos in my Discord if you want to go over that. So I don't have to repeat myself over and over. We're green today, yep. Yeah, 1 NQ. I'm not gonna open the Discord anymore, guys. Just if you want to trade with me, just trade the PM. It's gonna be for free. I don't want to focus on opening more spots Discords. Not for now, at least. I just want to focus on trading, because then there's gonna be way too many new people. I do want to focus on the YouTube streams though. So ideally, we also lock in the YouTube streams. Where is this side? This is a big push. Well done. ES is looking to take the eye out. Yeah, you need to do Rhythmic for copy trading top step. You can't do trade evade. It does not connect. I have the top step video. I have the trade copy video. Before you ask any more questions about trade copying, just watch that video. I promise you 95% of your question will be answered. Literally 95%. Max size. What I like to do and what a lot of other people do, because I recommend them, is just if you have, let's say, 10 Apex counts, you can just play 5 upside, 5 downside, max size. Not max size. I never do max size. I talked about the plan session how max size does not typically do well. 15 to 20 minis if you're doing 250k count, like it's kind of like almost max size, but like 75%, 70%. That's a nice sweet spot. And just do the calculation how many points you need. Yeah, we took the buy side for NQ there. We really pressed higher. But that's kind of what I recommend. It's definitely safer that way. If you, let's say, buy 10 accounts, 5 upside, 5 downside, wait for news, one of them will get hit. One of them, or let's say both could get hit if it does reverse. Why use max size? The thing with max size, I'll use the 250k as an example. The trailing drawdown will get you, just because if you have CPI, non-farm payroll, all these big high impact news, they tend to move around 100 points, sometimes less, sometimes more. You do max size, all you need is like 15 points, 10, 20 points. That's not that much. So it's more reasonable to do mid size and play the follow through instead of getting wicked out with trailing drawdown. That's my experience. That's why I tell people, and a lot of people who do max size do get jeopardized. You might learn from your own experience if you try it. But I do talk in that planning session about that as well. I think it's uploaded in my Discord. It should be open. But yeah, I don't want to repeat answers that the question is already answered. Likely the trade copy video, a lot of things that involving the planning session. There's 2 videos. One that's let me see if I open them. Yeah, the planning session should be open. And I was gonna do another planning session if there was enough people who wants it. Like, this is why I said a lot of people do want streams all the time though, like 40 thumbs up. But when I asked for another planning session, there's only 5. It's because we already did about 3 to 4 planning session in the past, so 90% of you guys probably already know what to do. So it's unnecessary to keep on repeating it. And that's why one of the planning session was recorded. Yep, but we have PPI tomorrow. Very good. Let me just pull up the course calendar. Yeah, PPI tomorrow 8:30 same time, along with unemployment claims, and then next week here, I think we have FMC. Yep, FMC statement. There's some other high impact news I don't really go for. I think core PCE is decent, and then GDP is decent too, but like we're looking for the big boys. They happen every month, once a month. CPI happens once a month. PPI happens once a month. FMC almost happens once a month as well. $2K notification and one service, crazy work, right? Wait, is there 2K notifications? I'm working out here. This is a good question. How to win fear? I could have made $2,000. That's where you stop yourself over there. You said you could have made $200 or $2,000. That's just kind of FOMO. You know, FOMO is gonna hurt you anywhere because I'll be like, okay, I'm looking at longs. Oh, I should have longed here. I would have made 10 points right there. That would have been like $500 per account. You want to be more systematic. That's the way to be more consistent. You don't want to think about the profit. Just wait for your setup. Wait for a trading model. Just like a key example would be this today in the morning, right? I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys had the buys on the downside once we took the data highs here on the push up. Daily lows are there. We're flipped bias. I just don't know if there was any clean setups for me personally. If there was setup for you, go for it. There was not that many clean setups for me here. It just slowly grinded down. Maybe the retracement, that was a decent one, but like I tend to like for a internal sweep before a flip. It really just got a closure here. This is probably the only clean entry I liked here. We have high here, we have low, we have high, strong displacement, and then retrace back into that inefficiency above New York Open to sell off. This is probably the only entry that I liked as an A+ setup. But this happened also very high volatility in the market open. I could have definitely like watched tape read that and been like, I should short there. I almost pressed the button, but I didn't because it's just not something that I want to risk. And if you focus on just trading what you normally trade and focus on trading in general rather than the money and the FOMO, then that's where you can really consistently build up. Are you trading inversion as well recently? Yeah, I do BPRs a lot. I do breakers primarily. Inversions and fair value gaps go hand in hand, just like order blocks and breakers go hand in hand. It's a kind of mixture. My main model is revolve around breakers. It has to kind of have the same criteria on a nice A setup inversion. I want to see a liquidity getting grabbed. I want to try to see it if it's in a time macro. Same thing I have outlined in the breaker checklist. Any more news on Apex? What does that mean? Any more news? Like news trading for Apex? There's PPI tomorrow. Unless you're looking for like updates about something else with Apex. Because we get the same information. I just can't figure out why my TP won't set when I use max cons. I like I said, I don't use max cons. I use kind of like 65%, like 2/3 almost. So if my max size on the 2PK is 27 minis, I tend to go for just 15 to 20 minis. I already explained why I don't go max size. It's too over leverage, and trailing John will bite you. Just like there's my reasons why I recommend TradeMate over Rhythmic, because Rhythmic has worse feels versus TradeMate has better feels. Uh, you don't have to believe it. You just try it out, see for yourself. That's based off of experience. Oh, like the new updates, yeah. They said that I think it's been nearly 2 weeks. I would give them another 2 weeks. That's like within their parameters of within the next few weeks. I hope they come out with something though. Do you think they're for real gonna do the 8 trading? I think they did talk about it like they were. I don't have like any exact idea, but I feel like they would. Why wouldn't they when they proclaimed it and said like this is like a outline proposal? But they also said they're gonna remove the payout window, which is also nice. Some people like the payout window or unbothered by it. Other people dislike it because sometimes they miss the withdrawal. I guess the main issue is like if you're trying to trade every single day, or if you can't trade every single day, the payout window might interfere. Let's say you don't want to trade today, you still have to force yourself at trading day to make sure you get a payout. They want to remove the payout window. That's part of the proposal. Let me just pull it up. I talked about this on Twitter. Like people ask me like, where do I get this information? It's straight from Apex. Public information. This is the proposal here. This is summer, basically the end of July. They proposed this during the survey. Everyone voted for it. Everyone praised this, and they were like in the video. I don't know the timeline, but they're like, this is the proposal. And then recently, in September, I think start of September, they said they're gonna implement the recent proposal, which is the survey of. I don't know if it's all of them, but like it's composing of this outline. So 8 trading days to requests from 10. Requests at the end of 8th day instead of the payout window. So they're just gonna remove the payout window completely. Instead of a 30% consistency rule, which is not hard, it's soft. Like as long as if you're consistent, they'll still let you withdraw even if you're like 35%, 33%. Instead, they're just gonna do 40%. That's it. That's what they say. So like it's like no longer ambiguous. And there's no more flipping rule. Flipping rule is like when you just want to log a trading day. Let's say you have 8, let's say you have 9 trading days. You're just like, okay, I don't want to trade anymore. I just want to go in and out to log a trading day. Instead, they're replacing it with, I think you just gotta make, four of those 8 trading days. It gotta be 150 plus or minus. So you can trade legit for 4 days. Let's say like you make $500, 500, and then I guess you can micro in and out to log a trading day. That's what they're proposing, and yeah, that's the rest of it. It is highly anticipated, but it's just forgotten because they talked about it, they teased it in July. It's September now. July, August, September. 2 months later, nothing was heard about it until recently. I think the Labor Day video they were talking about they're gonna implement it. The survey proposal coming soon with the next few weeks. So I do keep you guys updated with everything that I see from them. I don't get insider information for the most part. If they think payouts are bad now, wait till the 8 trading day rule. I think they've been doing pretty darn good with the payouts at least now. They probably got overwhelmed in summertime, so they had to up the restriction, but I think they're doing much better. Just not based on my opinion, just based off what I've seen from everyone. That includes you guys, that includes community, that includes the whole Apex community. So I'm pretty vocal about what public opinion is. Back in the summertime, public opinion did not let Apex. There were too many denials, and all these type of things. Recently, they did a lot of videos, but the result of the video, after you submit the video, you got approval really, really quick based off hundreds of reports that I've gotten. Do you use stop loss or an ATM? Easiest way to do that, if you don't want, I don't do no stop. Or I do no stop, so just do like a very large stop. It could be 1,000 points. Just don't think too hard on it. Like it's very common sense. Like if you're trying to get 15 points or 20 points, and you don't want to stop, just put like 1,000 point stop. You don't have to do anything fancy. We're just shy of that London high here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I still need to take some trades, guys. Lucky for me, never had a video. I believe there's some talks about they just send videos in batches. Like, let's say there's like 100,000 traders. My understanding is like maybe like 5,000 of those people randomly, or I don't know if it's random or not. They'll make you do a video, and they're just gonna get until they log everyone to verify that you're the one trading. I think that's the main purpose. That's my opinion. I think they just want to know if you're the one trading rather than your mom, or if you're trading for your mom, or if you're trading for your grandpa. I think that's the main purpose of it. It's not to steal your trading strategy. I doubt that is the case. But who knows, man? Who knows? All right, let's get some trades in, guys. Do you think removing the payout windows would increase wait time? I think it will shorten it tremendously. Just think about this. There's a 5-day payout window twice a week. So it's like 10 trading days that you can request, or not even 10 trading days, it's just 10 days. Some over the weekend. And people are trying to make that criteria. Some people are at 9 days. If they need one more day, they just wait until they get the bare minimum. And it's gonna be like thousands of requests. So logically, if you remove the payout window, it should be more spread out and it should be faster. And that's what also they said in the video. They're like, yeah, the no payout window would expedite the payouts, which makes sense because, like, let's say Top Step, if Top Step had a payout window, let's say like 5 days as well, it's gonna be jam packed. They're gonna be overwhelmed. It's gonna be like 100,000 traders submit. Let's say 1,000 traders submit a payout request in one day. They're gonna have to go through all of that. Yeah, whatever it is, like I definitely agree that they have some tactics to delay payouts, or just not delay payouts. Like, let's say you submit the payout, the money doesn't get withdrawn yet until you get approved. So you can still blow the account and get denied. That happened to me. That happened to hundreds of other people. There's definitely a tactic why it takes that long. I definitely agree with that. But if they submit this change, I think it's gonna be better. And it's also your responsibility too. Like, when I do that, I own up and I'm like, this is me fucking up. This is not Apex. If I just blow my account after I submit requests, especially when I have so much drawdown, that's on me. That's most likely due for my tilt. So I have no one else to blame. It does suck though, because I wish I would have got the payout. But yeah, I am looking forward to the update with Apex. I think it's gonna bring a lot of traders back into the Apex world. I'm still trading with Apex just because I've been getting payouts consistently with them. People don't like how invasive it is. Like, oh, I gotta submit a video. Oh, I gotta worry about denials. I am diversified, so I trade with every firm essentially. I give them a fair shot. So I don't really care, even if it takes like a whole month for me to get payouts. Because like that's what happens. Like, you get approved, it takes a long time for you to hit the bank. I think last payout, it took like 3 weeks. Top Step in my fund futures is like literally within the same 40 hours, like within 2 days basically. But as long as I get the money, right, it doesn't bother me too much. But I know it bothers some of you guys. Some of you guys need that payout more quicker than I do. And that's why a lot of people are not trading Apex. It's like, oh, I gotta worry about payout denials. I gotta worry about submitting a video. I gotta get worried about even getting paid. I'm just gonna comply with everything they need. so they have no reason to deny me, right? That's the name of the game. If they're a business, hate it. As long as it helps me make money, it's a vehicle for me to make money. You just gotta play by the rules. If they don't want you to DCA, don't DCA. Video part doesn't work with everyone because not everyone has videos. I think that's where they show you step by step on what they want. So you can record with their phone even. A lot of people do record with their phone. I don't even have a webcam. And they just get you to use a recording software. It could be OBS, it could be something. Just download something on your computer. It's not that complex. And I think it's only 5 minutes, right? They only require 2 5-minute videos. People make it sound like you are revealing Apex your secret sauce. I don't think that's the case either. Do you do monthly plans or lifetime? With the promo that Apex doing is all lifetime. I think right now even. I think it's going to expire soon. Let me just pull that up. Apex, all accounts expires 11th, so it's end of today. Basically all PA fees, 50k, 100k, 150k, 250k, all $85. I think expires today. Okay, moving forward, I still want to trade. Damn, we're just hanging on the edges here right now. I think we have a fair shot of going above 20,000 right now, or not 20, 19,000. I spoke there. 19,032 is the next target, really. Was there any opportunity? I feel like it was pretty slow. We did get a nice internal drive here. Let's see. Hopefully get a nice trade. Wow. South Tribe Trade said, I requested 2K from Take Profit Trader. 9 a.m. Money hit my account at 10:09. Literally 1 hour. That's really that's impressive. 1 hour? Because first you gotta take time for them to approve your payout, like process it. And then they gotta do the bank wire or the transfer to. All within 1 hour? That's probably the fastest I've ever seen. Or heard of. Auto approve. I see, yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Another thing I forgot to mention. Today, I was trading. Look at this. I passed some take profit accounts. Look at this. Look at this. I bought 10. Luckily, passed them in one shot this time. So, you're gonna see me try to trade take profit. I think starting tomorrow, maybe, if I activate them. 100k, nice. That message is getting me hyped up. Daily withdrawal that quick, like 1 hour withdrawal. Let's see how it is. I did, yeah. The only caveat is trailing drawdown at the start, right? The funded process. Oh wow, what a pump. Guys, what do you think? This is the funded account that you guys traded me yesterday. I think this account number 1 made 2k on. Long and short, guys. I'm not gonna ask ChatGPT. I'm gonna ask the chat this time. What was the trade you took for that TPT? I think it was overnight. It was, let me just find it. I was gonna trade them PPI, but I was like, let me just trade some tonight first. If I do get drawdown, I'll use them PPI. I'll throw them in. I believe it was somewhere right here. Oh yeah, I think it's this trade here. I definitely marked it. I believe I shorted down here somewhere, and I wanted this low. Just playing based off the bias right now, which has been aggressively pushing down, and every rise up has been rejected. It's not a clean entry model because overnight you really don't have a clean entry model. Just go back and forth. So I think I got like 15 points or 20 points. I don't know what it was. That was a trade though. I remember marking. I'm like, please hit it. Long the crap out of this. That seems like the move, man. Hey, if you guys didn't know, I also bought two new firms. Two new firms. Well, people are not gonna like me saying this, but it's Fast Track and it's Tradeify. You guys already know Fast Track. The other firm is Tradeify. These are the new two firms that like they're relatively new. This is Tradeify only been here for 3 weeks, and then Fast Track been there for like what 3 months. I'm adding them to my collection. We'll see how that goes. It's only been, I think, 3 days on these accounts too. It's 2K per day so far. A lot of you guys have been pushing me to do fast track trading. I don't really like how the management goes, but I think it's getting better. And they've been doing nice payouts. I think it's so cheap that like I had to give them a chance. Even like let's say I don't like the professionalism by CEO. The firm is still if the firm. I blew one of the FTC accounts on Friday. That was a new drawdown. They reset it. Oh, nice. Yeah, there was a lot of arithmetic issues. I'll go with public opinion and look for longs, aggressive longs. Because I mean, I think this is a very clear target here. London high here, high of day should be tagged. Can you share all your indicators? Just go to my Discord. At general chat is free. Go to general chat. Go to the pen section. It shows like 10 indicators I have. It explains what it does and what the name is, all that stuff. All right, let's roll. Let's find something, guys. Long, guys. If you're saying long, where long this 1 minute? Anyone use Tradeify here? That's what I talked about. Unless you're talking about other than me. They have the same basically price point and rules as fast track trading. I might as well trade both. If I'm giving fast track trading a shot, I'm definitely gonna give the other firm a shot too. I might be the first payout on them if all goes well. I don't know. How did Tradeify get trade bait before FTT? It's because Tradeify been in the works for 2 years now. I don't know how long fast track trading was in the works for, but they probably released much quicker than that. So like, that just shows the preparation too. You see a firm like working behind the scenes to build up everything they need before they launch. I don't know why we trust Brett Semba. I say the same thing with fast track trading Scott, with the way that he kind of handles professionalism. I was like, do I want to trust this? Plus, they don't have that you have to bank wire or do crypto to protect them from chargebacks. At least like a Brett Semba firm, if let's say he rugs for you can charge all your payments back. You can deadass charge all your payments back if they rug pull. You have the justification for it. Oh, yeah, this is a breaker here. This is a continuation breaker here. We know who he is. Yeah, I mean, it's a new firm, right? And typically, new firms, they get a lot of cash flow first because no one gets payouts immediately. So you're more likely to get a payout and then like break even, get that positive, net positive, and then like, let's say the rug pull starts, like it's gonna happen at the end, if anything. 19,000 there. Just wait. Let me just ask. I'm just gonna pull up this. Like, is this disregard that this is Brett Symbol firm? Because I do have like a the same opinion by you guys. Like, I don't like influencer run firm. I'd rather have a business about it. Is this appealing, guys? There's 3 accounts, like 50K, 100K, 100K. They have the Apex version, trailing drawdown. They have the My Funded Feature version, and they have the Fast Track version. So they basically doing like a jack of all trades. What I have right now is this straight to funded, 100K. It's 50% off, $700. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. You get 7,500 drawdown. I mean, I'm about to get payout on this, right? I don't want to jinx myself. You can use my code as well. He gave me a code SMART if you want to use to get 50% off. It looks decent though. Like that's what I'm saying. It looks well done. If I were to start a prop firm, I would try to do the same outlook as what they're doing. Smart features. Watch me and Lance start a firm, guys. Use code SMART for your boy. All right, if we get down here, I'll long this. I just put my stop right under that 52 area, so it's like about 13-point stop. Hopefully I don't get wicked out. Oh, yeah, you're right. How do you pass those 5 counts? It's not passed yet. I only trade 2 days on them. So I'm just going to log a trade day in and out for the next 3 days, I think, right? %, because see, that's the same as fast track trading. No one has a problem with that. It's basically a replica of fast track trading model, but it has a credit card processor. I feel like no one's... Why is no one caring about that? I feel like that was like the biggest red flag for me, like to trade, to buy fast track trading. It's like, why do I have to do a bank wire? I never did a bank wire ever. There's a one time I think it's like to load up a trade account, like a live account. It's like, okay, this is TradeBase, this is a broker. I'm gonna trust them. But for a prop firm, that's crazy. I think FTT is getting cards soon. I'm pretty sure the CEO dismissed the idea of getting cards just because he doesn't want to risk getting charged back. But unless there's new updates I'm unaware of, you guys let me know. Can you take withdrawals anytime after 10 days in the funded? I think it's the same way as Apex. It's like 2 payouts window. I've been trying to pay for my FTT account for 3 days now. Can't get any info how to do it. It's a bank wire. Tradeify withdrawal rules kind of screwy. Can you elaborate on that? I'm open to... Look at that. We just knew how I picked it. I think was it Fortress? Someone said like logging highs are crazy. You're just kind of logging the draw right now. I think shorting here is crazy without a flip. Shorting anytime here is crazy. You're so close to liquidity, and everything has been pushing higher and higher. The 1st to the 4th, 14th to 18th. Yeah. I don't know why they do that. It's 4 days. But like I said, it's the same way with Apex. I don't really care about the payout window as long as I get paid. They have a really good price point, at least to me, I guess, so compared to the market. There's also a payout cap for the straight to funded. Yeah, but like think about like the same as Apex. You withdraw 3K, every payout. You do 2 payouts a month. That's 6,000 per month, guys. I'm not trying to use Tradeify to run it up. I could use TopStep for that. I could use other firms for that. There's some firms where I like to compound. That's Apex. That'd be this firm. That'd be Fast Track Trading. And there's gonna be scaling firms, which is most likely take profit trader. There's no consistent rule. There's no nothing. And TopStep, where like you can scale up, make as much money as you can, and withdraw them. Just think it that way. And then I feel like it'll be more appealing. If you're trying to trade like one of these firms and try to scale up and like, oh, they have all these payout caps, all that stuff, it doesn't work. Which took highs. Damn, it's like 40 minutes to stream. I still haven't took a trade yet. Am I disciplined or am I just not trading? I don't know. I made it back today, at least on my Apex. I made 2K on like a lot of accounts from that one trade I took. Let me just see what it was. It was I do with the commentary. I might open the Discord up for a little bit, for maybe a few weeks, because I want to focus on YouTube. So maybe if you want to join, just join right now. I think link in the description. I'll open it for a few weeks if someone reminds me to. This is the trade I took. I think a lot of people, I think Fortune took that. A few people in the Discord took similar trade. It's a breaker here. Once we got that version, breaker, retap, took the buy side, and then look at that target, 700 from 640. It's like this is like 400 points off. I paper handed that damn well. Paper handed that. Tick Trader is better. No payout cap. 100% slip. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely a lot of firms out there. Yeah, I'll open up the Discord right now. I'm not gonna close the Discord already, so if you can't join, there's a reason. I'll just open it. If you guys want to join, I do want to make it more interactive, especially when I'm trying to do my YouTube grind again. Let's just open up these two main channels here. Is that all? I mean, I'll alert sign up. This is already open. That's weird. Okay, yeah, I'll open up the two main channels. Remember when we had that YouTube streak where I think we streamed for like nearly 2 months straight? I kind of want to do that again. I want to grind, because when I was doing that, I was getting rocket high payouts. I think I'm getting too complacent. I'm too neutral. Like, okay, I'm comfortable with getting like 30K, 40K payouts a month. Back then, I was running it up. And seeing Lanto gives me inspiration too. Lanto did like 100K, 180K, I think, the last 3 days. I do want to run it up. So that might be my motivation. And I think I have the most funded ever now, just because I added the fast track trading, and now Tradeify, like that's like more firms than I did ever before. Usually I just do 3 firms at a time. I have 5 firms right now, so I'm getting overloaded. Damn, this is straight longs here, and all I wanted was this breaker entry here. Discord link doesn't work? What the hell? I thought it did. Let me see. Can someone confirm if it doesn't work? I'll upload a new link. Or I'll just confirm myself. Oh, I think it does work. I think it does work. It's in the description. Do you copy trade them out all at once or groups? I think I get too nervous trying to copy all. I get too emotional more than nervous. I mean, I'll split them up. Like Apex right now, I just do 10-10. Fast track trading, I'd also do 10-10. I'll be a psycho if I just copy trade all 50 counts or something, 40 counts. But it's with the broker size. That I think doing like 10 accounts. Say you have like, I don't know. Let's say you have 40 counts. If you do 10 of them, you can just still do a decent size. You can do 4 minis still and aim for like a 2K day, 1K day per account. But if you do like 40 accounts, 30 accounts, I don't think I'm gonna be doing more than 2 contracts. So I'll be scared because like you can make like $300 on 40 contracts. That's like 12K already, right? Same thing as a loss. Like if you go down 500 on 40 counts, that sounds hefty. Better split them up. I'm psycho. I'm copy 40 accounts right now. Oh wow. Yeah, that sounds a good way too. Like you start copying all of them, and then once you get like somewhat close to payout, let's say 60% of the way there, split them up. Make them more likely to get a payout. But like I said too, I have some accounts, like let's say Apex for instance. I have a few accounts that I do scale up. Like some of them are at 15K profits. The other accounts are like 6, 7, 8K profits, like going slower, a few $100s a day. And those small set where I'm like scaling up, I go for 2,000 per day on them. It just helps with aggressive trading or lots of trading, and then you have some accounts that just compounding. It's chill. Look at that push. Golly. If I did that chat GPT today, and it said long, because a lot of you guys said too long as well. I'm just trying to get an entry. I would have been done already. This is funny. Someone said it's for a year. It's a 100K. It'd be $350 basically. No, this basically includes activation fee for a year. How many people hold a fund account more than a year? Oh yeah, we're still pushing. God damn. Like I said, I think it'll be stupid to short. But now we hit the main draw here. It's not that stupid anymore. I feel like with a proper setup. We're still pushing. Wow. I just deleted something I shouldn't. There it is. After. John, every time I say people who get the first payout, just take the whole thing, even if you blow that out. It's definitely rewarding. And 75% of the time, people who thinks about saving the account, they actually do not get the payout, or they get less than that. Just take the full thing. Use that and reinvest to get more accounts, and then you can think about like scaling up that way. That's what I always say. Wow, we're still pushing. Is this stream just gonna be grind up the whole time? I don't know. Let's look at tech. Look at Nvidia rebound here. Almost to 100, 101. My flip back up. We have a nice gap here. Just look at tech in general, like because we're trading NASDAQ, and this is the big 6 tech companies that's driving NASDAQ. And look at that hourly here. Next liquidity on NQ is all the way to 150. I don't think we get there though. Today has a big enough range. It's like all the way from 550s to it's basically 600 point range. It's pretty strong. We're about to hit the 2 p.m. We might get a trade set up in the macro time here. What do you guys think? Long or short? I would be damned if I long somewhere up here, though. I'm, like, open to shorts now. I don't know about you guys. Like, I wouldn't be mad about taking a short entry anywhere here. It just, I'm waiting. Like, can it not produce a green candle? Look at the last, like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It just keeps on closing out, like, open, close higher, open, close higher, open, close higher. Not even a chance. Come on now. The first down close candle, we enter short on this account. What do you think? This is the account ran by the YouTube stream. It'd be funny. That's not even a down close candle. Alright, this is the down close candle. Here we go. We might get something here. The first kind of move, willingness to go lower. Interesting enough. 15-second? You guys want to open the 15-second chart? Be like 15-second breaker here. This is where I start gonna be being stupid. Should be more patient though. I think we'll get something at 2 p.m. here. I don't know what the 15-minute candle close. 5-minute. 5 minutes just gapping up. It's pretty difficult to play here. Chat, what do you guys think? If you were to take a trade right now, long or short? Long the high or short the high? I might just do 1 minute just to at least log something in if I don't trade the discount. We'll probably throw like a 15-point stop on it. Long all day. Okay, guys. Alright, I'm gonna see if I just get this long here. I'm just playing by the chat right now. I will blame you guys if this loses. Golly, guys. It's okay. It's okay. This is a lot of drawdown on the count. And so one contract. We'll likely find a good trade somewhere. Do you guys still want longs? Or no trade? No trade? I should have made the suggestion no trade as well. That was probably the better answer. Because now I force you guys to answer. Yeah, please don't replicate these type of trades though. Like, I'm just kind of doing it for entertainment. I might just close this here. I meant short. All right, let's see. We might get. Are we walking our way all the way back down? We're delivering from a 4-hour with SMC. Let me see. It probably does go lower though. I don't think there's any clear models. Just wait until I actually do something. If you want to follow me, when I do something like this is like a legit trade, rather than me kind of messing around. You guys like shorts now, or is it's still just like a long opportunity here? Personally, for me, I would not touch this. I would wait more. Short at 115. What is it? Oh, that's like far up. What an aggressive push. Yeah, like he left a breakaway. Is that 5 minute? Short from 051. I don't like that. Or I mean I like that. I wouldn't mind that. I watching this buy side here. This like the most recent one here. If we can get a nice manipulation closure, that'd be promising. What the heck? Conflicting. Someone said long here. I like shorts a little bit higher. Oh, that 5 minute. Damn. All right, Eaton. Part of me still like shorts though. It's just not confirmed yet. Normally I would not trade here. Yeah, nice inversion here. Yeah, short's not confirmed easily. Until we get this 5 minute closure, I would like short more aggressively. What do you think about this area here? We just do a nice retrace of 44s and look for a run down to 19,000. Is that valid? How much are we down in this count? Like 400 bucks? 430 bucks. It's okay, we made 2K last night or yesterday, so I think this is what I've seen people in the chat were talking about, like looking for a retrace above here. I would prefer even a little bit higher. Oh, there it is. I'm just gonna put my stop right here. It's a very tight stop, I think. I'll do it here first, but I'm likely gonna close it if we get a close above 52 here. want to see lower, especially if this 5-minute can close back down, but it got eaten pretty well. Take the 15-minute here. It's just very one-sided upside here. Mark this 15-minute chart here so it shows on the 1-minute. We've been just aggressively pushing up. We haven't had like a higher time frame flip yet, but we did take a nice liquidity here. Let me just show at this high here. The next one is all the way up to this high. And if I can see somewhat of a manipulation here, I want to play for the move back to this 15-minute. I'll try to trail the stop though. It should be this one actually. Yeah, so 40. It's above 40. That's what I have. Just back and forth right now. Scalping the 15-second. Nothing much to play in the 15-second, I feel like. There we go. Nice drop here. I only have one contract in though. First serious thing. Got eaten all day back up. It's just way too aggressive pushing up the side right now. I gave 13 points, but no delivery to the downside. No good forward push. Push harder. I want to get an entry where I just do a starter and add to it if it does go my way. Because I would probably target something more aggressive. Like this 15-minute here. Alright, well, I'm not going to give it too much time here. There's only one contract in. Most likely I'm just going to close this. Let's see. Yeah, I don't really like it as much anymore. I should have got a closure down here and an inversion if I want to go down. So, let's close this here. I was going to wait for this can to close, but I think it should have already closed. Let's wait for a more realistic setup, though. I mean, like, this was kind of like my stop here. I think we did 44. This is my really true stop. I was going to do a very tight one. Not like above 1 RR. I wanted all the way down here. Alright, wait. We might get something here. If this flip, I might just add to it. Or get back in. Nope. 550. It's okay. It balances out because I only have 3 trading days. I need 10 trading days anyways. As long as we don't become completely stupid. Alright, let's look for a real setup though. delete this. So far, it looks like we got a nice 5-minute retap. Move higher. So upside do look like the move here. Good close at least. I think I closed at 48 or something. Solid. Like a 80 bucks loss. I'm looking at this 1 minute here though. This is gonna flip and get close under this order block here. I would still want this 50-minute drop here, which I marked out. This PA is not something that you can really take trades right now, at the very least. So you guys like longs then? Let's see. Oh, this is easy. Lanto, just give me a trade. This is my cheat code here. I don't need to think. Lanto, basically we started the stream 1 p.m. and just been grinding up. We just talked a lot of prop firms, nothing crazy yet. What did that boy say? He wants to draw into 150? 154? That's what Lanto wants? Okay. Tell me where long. I did the same thing. Oh, you weren't here yesterday. It was me and Desi. It was like flip a coin. Or we told ChatGPT long or short. And this account here, this fun account on TradeFi, made 2,000 yesterday. Kind of do a similar thing. But maybe instead of flipping a coin, we'll ask flip the Lanto. Long or short. He's thinking long though. Really pushing here. Nvidia, if it projects 115, let me just see Nvidia. It has a gap there. Nvidia's pushing. It's pretty strong here. All right, guys, long or short here. If chat says long, I'll buy market. If chat says short, I'll sell market. When you see results. Low. What is this? Violate Fed rules on trading. Good push. Good 5 minutes. Is chat broken? Why Lanto saying his biscuits and through? Hello? Oh, it is broken. Is this stream running? Oh, there. Wait, no. It's just error. Stream is. Chat is broken. Maybe, yeah, just. Discord saying chat's broken. I didn't do anything. Lanto broke the chat. Yeah, dead ass. When he came in, chat broke. It just grinds up. That is long backward length to said it, man. I closed a short pretty nicely though. And I took a bigger loss. It was like $9. Just because I know like we should have closed down here if we want to play downside after the 5-minute fail already. Let's see what happens. Steep drive here. Maybe talk to Discord guys. I saw something here. Chat is broken, yeah. We got log? There's a lot of flip there. On the one. I'm not gonna be aggressive on the downside until we get a 5-minute closure though. Hmm. Looking pretty good for long still. Dude, long to the highs is kind of scary though. We're kind of flattening out, plateauing up here too. I'm gonna say in the chat, the Discord says YouTube's broken. Long and short, guys. We're kind of stalling out up here. If you guys say long, I'll log it right now on this. This is probably the last attempt on this scout. See people saying long. Alright, we'll do it. We'll do it. We'll do it. The moment I click. That's so classic. Alright, I'm for real gonna. I gotta stop this. I gotta trade legit out these accounts if I want to get the payout. I'm about to be like one rack down this. Dude, chat has been wrong though. We are too high. That might be the case. I was just going based off of like the chat. I wasn't even paying attention like we're too long or not. But wait, let's look at it though. I probably do want to get off this trade though. I don't like the entry itself. Dude, this happens. Why it happens so often lately? The moment I click, you enter and got cooked in less than 1 second twice. Why is that happening? There's also that chance where I enter and it goes my favor, right? That's so unlucky every single time. I do want to get out this trade though. I want to see this close, next close here. Are we gonna inverse? Oh, it's good now. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay, I need YouTube chat to help me now. Discord chat is clearly not getting me. Oh, back to entry here. Short still. Guys, long and short here. Trust long, trust Lanto, long. One person is short though. Short and pull back. Damn, there's still like 2/3 in long. My entry's kind of sloppy though. I'm gonna DCA here. Long V inverse. That's what I'm kind of watching for. Oh, we're not gonna inverse this. That's right. Dude, why are we not looking like we're gonna inverse that wake up? The slam down. Take buy side was short. Take buy side long. Too many people in the chat says long. I gotta hold it for the stream. But we'll do max size on these accounts for contracts. But I don't think I want to go more than that. Keep some somewhat risk management. Dude, why was my entry kind of sloppy when it went all the way nicely down here? All right, let's get a closure above this fair value gap here. Fade the retail, someone said. Oh, you guys Is that person saying YouTube chat is retail? This might be worst or best decision. It might be the worst best decision. People were saying long. I'm doing it for you guys. Wait, what the heck? Did it not the limit then? Oh, there it is. Oh, that was glitched. I need another closure above, and I'll be somewhat happy about this. It's stalling out. Good push, good push. Dude, why am I getting sketched with this now? Are we still looking at logs? I'm gonna use you guys as ChatGPT instead. I don't know how we got here. I thought I decided like we're not gonna do this right now, but dude, let's add to this. Let's add to this. People were saying long. I thought I clicked it. Did I go through? Let me just check trade evade just in case I am stupid. There we go. I'm pretty sure. Did I not click it, guys? I'm scared of it. Like it has like trade views just lagging or something. All right, let's just do it there. 600. I'm pretty sure I pressed buy market. Like I saw it the register for another ad. There was 4 contracts. It should be 6 because I added twice. I added okay, someone watch it back and tell me. Because once I saw this wick down close above, I think that's a pretty sure shot. We added here, and then we added a closure, and I pressed it right there, like on the dot. I only saw you only added 2. You guys are lying. Watch this, watch this. We're gonna do the playback. There's no way. I'm pretty sure I pressed. Watch this, watch this. Once it's closed, I'm pressed buy and market for another 2 here. I saw this close here once we looked up. It's gonna happen here. Oh. Damn it. There we go. That click? I'm pretty sure I saw the click. Wait, maybe they didn't click that. I don't know. It's whatever. Oh, I didn't take it. Yeah, it might just didn't go through. It was laggy. When I added the second position too, it was like it didn't register for a second. Yep, need to click harder. All right, we're at 156.5K, guys. 500. Do we go for 157? Maybe we'll go for 157. God, double click. I'm gonna get double the contracts then. All right, long or short. Let's do this. We ain't playing no more. This is the end of the day. it's a Tradeify account. I do need to trade these accounts too. Maybe we'll do the 50K next. I'm day 2 on this 50K. I just need 500 bucks. Let's do that. We'll do 2 contracts. Short. Why is there so many people saying short now? Yo, is this a good short? Hold up. It's SMT off these highs. There's no draw in sight for the next like 60 points. Why are you guys saying short? The buy, I think, is still upside. Short because of SMT. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'll take the short. Okay, let's do it here. Oh my god. Imagine I did it right there. That I would have got liquidated. This is probably gonna give me liquidated still. I don't think I have that much drawdown on this count too. Look at the chat, guys. There was like 10 people that said short. And I was like, why would we short here? That is crazy. I'm gonna let this hit the daily loss limit. This is probably gonna hit already. Because I think they only give you 1200 drawdown on this. That is crazy. Okay, let me see. We can probably finish this count. That's probably gonna hit DD though. Timing is everything. That was. But look though, like every time I press an entry, it's always the worst fill in the world. What's up with that? Like literally the worst fill in the world. Or worst entry in the world. I'm pretty sure I hit that daily loss limit here. Yeah, I did. It hit minus 1400. I'm not too concerned with that 50K. I think these 2 accounts are what I'm concerned. These are gonna be the YouTube accounts. but look at this for real. I said, guys, long or short. I thought everyone was gonna say short or long again, but I was gonna keep on long the highs. Look at the amount of people that said short, like short. I was like, what? Short. that probably feels like what Top Step TV, the house count feels like. Dude, I think they do the same thing. But for real, we're about to take this high. I think we still go for upside until we get a flip on the 5-minute at least. Notice this 5-minute got held here. Do we have a large gap now? This 5-minute close? Here we're gonna close. Go for the next buy side here. Alright, let's see. We'll take the 15-second entry. Yeah, this is kind of like a lesson learner here. When you guys... I'm pretty sure the reason you guys went short was because of SMT. I'm like, okay, I disagreed, but I did it. SMT does not equate to just automatic short. Anyways, we'll look at that rip. Go long again. Last time, long. We're gonna do this on this count. Oh, if we get a green trade on this count, we'll be done for this. I'm gonna go for public majority opinion here. Long. Short after 150. Okay, that's why I typically like shorts when there's, depending on the area. When you're out of nowhere, why would you want a short? Tick started ad in the version. Let's see. I'm gonna have my buy ready because I do think we're gonna run these highs here. Most likely this off this inversion here. I wouldn't be mad at that. I waited too. I know like every time I click when you guys say do an entry, I take an entry and it's always so bad. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I did wait. I entered here and then boom, another godly candle. Good thing I did on the other count, but the count that was like weaker. But holy crap. Just inverse chat. I might do that. I actually might do that. Everyone says long right now. I feel like it's feeling like shorts now. But yeah, once again, I'm only really doing this because I took a big trade on this is fun accounts here. That's a lot of fun. It's I'm basically done except my Tradify account. And I was hunting for a trade, but I couldn't find one really because it's just so directional. But we're up on this count at least. We're up like $600, I think, $500. If we inverse this, I'll take the long, like everyone suggests, though. That's something I would not be mad at for entry. It's a 15-second though. Oh. Look at this 15-second here. Do we take this? If there's enough no, I'll be against it. Wow, that moved way higher. Let's try 30-second here. Yes, yes, take. The draw is 150, so take the OB entry. Here, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna do a buy stop. The moment it gets down and then reverses, I'm gonna just do a buy stop. We're just gonna go for probably 10 points. I'm not going for something big, and again. It's stagnant here. Press buy. Sirius is gonna take responsibility if it goes sideways. We're gonna just put it right there. And what a deep sell. Imagine I press long and that happens. I'm preparing for these type of things. What's the bias window? It's an indicator. It's not looking that good anymore. I need to come back up. I need a nice closer here. Looking better. We just want one more trade. This risk reward is kind of ass. Long now. What do you guys think? Long after these lows are taken, just pray for it. This is so ass. See, Lanto's enticing me. He said we're gonna get ready for the impulse. Long or short here? Need any answers here? Long. Long. You still want long? He's gonna impulse over. Too late now. I should just let the stop order. This is why I put the open low close handle. Short. I don't think I like shorting when we're just right there at liquidity. Damn, Lanto did deadass came in the chat and said, what do you call it? Long here, or 150, and it banged. Let's do a stop order. Okay, we'll put this high. Gonna get filled, and it's so high up. This is gonna be either really good or really bad. Most likely really bad. Most likely. We'll take one there. Did we hit it? Did we hit it? Alright, let's take it off. I meant to move it down, but I'm still getting used to trading view. My trading view's one is pressing is kind of bad. I'm like $5 off. What the hell? Just give me OCD. I want to have 157. Dude, Lanto went kind of crazy here. That's pretty ambitious goal for this. I think he set it like 100 points lower. Almost 1,000 up to on this. Nice. All right, long or short. I'll do 1 minute now. We'll drop down to 1 contract, 15 pointed max. Short, long. This might be a fade. There's more people saying short right now. I'm gonna do 1 contract. It's gonna be probably for $200. So I'll get above 1,000 on discount. I don't want it yet. I think we want a nice close first. I don't trust chat on that one. That was too quick. Chat was trying to bait me. All right, we'll do one here. I was baiting myself. Never mind. I still want to follow the wishes of what people are saying this. Dude, Lanto, you went goated there. He said, I don't know where he said it. I think it was like all the way down here. Definitely more than 100 points away. He said, I want this to hit before before end of day. We still have a whole hour left and it hit already. If that's not present, I don't know what is. All right, I just want 200 bucks here. 15 points. That's 300. It's all good. That's what I stop in. Might just get break even though. I don't really think we go too far down shorts. Oh wait, how much am I at right now? How much I need? 1100. Oh, we're there. I could close it out. Oh, we're good. We're good. 152. 157.2. That's pretty good. Not bad. Took a lot of trade from chat today. Let me see. The first trade we had today was so bad. I think everyone said long. I longed here at 050, 20 points stop instantly, basically. And then this short is something I like more, and then other people agree with too. Short at 44, gave like 30 points, but I just cut it off for like -5, -6. And then long was a picture here. Long, and then sold at the high. This is like a basically 800 play, like made 500 net profit from this loss too. And then what's this? Long here somewhere. Long buy stop long to push up to 150. Took out 150 and then just one tiny short to close it out. We might actually get a payout here. We're like, this is the fourth day. Fourth day. What we gonna do with the payout on this account, guys? Buy evals, give away, or do something with it? To think the chat was saying short here, I would have got eaten like 25 points. I would have got killed. This waiting here. What do you like to do when you take the high? You want to see a nice close and attempt to run higher to run the stops, and then once it flips, I think I was kind of playing the down move down. It's looking much better here. Did I trade the other account, guys? Oh, okay. I'm gonna just do one trade on this. I don't think I'm gonna try to make that much. I just need a log a day. We're probably all done for the day. Short or long? Short or long? Or long or short? We'll do one and then we'll add to it if it does run. I am kind of clueless here, except we did take the buy side out. Good liquidity. I wouldn't mind short, but I don't know if I see an entry yet. On that inversion there. Sitting in this order block here. How's the video doing? Maybe just shy of that gap too. Wait for the 1 minute fair gap then long. We're at this order block. I think this is where if it wants to bounce, it'll bounce here. We need more people telling me. I'll probably go for a long here. A little hesitant though. Ugh. Hesitant. Scared money don't make money, guys. We'll throw it down short just because I missed that long. This might be the dumbest trade we'll take all day. I'm trying to lose profit so I can request payout. What you can do is just eat up commission. You just enter long, flat, same second. It gets you slippage almost, and like these you're basically buying and selling the bid and ask, and then you get some what you call it, commission out of it too, taken out of your account. So it's a pretty easy way. What do you think? Add more? We close down here? Consider it. Ask ChatGPT. You know what? Since this is the last trade, I'll do it. Come on, tell me, I need to know now. It's time to short. Oh. Okay, we'll do it. I don't know if I like that aggressive ad. I liked it. But ChatGPT agreed too, so I don't know. I don't know. That's so classic. What are the chances? It's like coin lands on tails, time to short. I was like, okay. I don't really like my second entry though. It's okay. I would add probably 42, 43 more. Did it hit? Yeah, I think it did hit 42, 43. I could have definitely got a better entry. Let's put a stop in. Take one out here. Then put a buy stop. I mean, I really like that short just because this is now the clear manipulation here. We got a nice displacement. Fair gap, retrace back into it. Wait, how much are we up to date on it? I don't really need to make that much on this. The first entry was not gambling. Like, I think it was like a real entry. The second one was gambling. I was like, okay, ChatGPT, if it's short, I'll add. might make it break even here. The coin flip, yeah. The second issue was the coin flip. I was like, it was right. It was right. I'm trying to incorporate some trading models into this too. I'm not trying to, even as long or short, I'm looking at an area. Sometimes I do just mark it in randomly though. I just want to hit 1,000 here. Let's see if it hits 1,000. Maybe it'll match up with the other one. Don't go back up. Let me get my 1,000. Oh, it was so close. 893. That's good enough. That's good enough. Let's not be too eager here. All right, I'm gonna just cancel everything here. I think we're done. Look at that. Recap here. 1,200 and 800. Both accounts at almost 157K. I think I need 10K for a payout though, because my consistency rule, you would normally, I'm pretty sure you would only normally need 7,500, which would make me like $500 away from payout. But I did. What the? What the? Oh, this. Is it? Yeah, 7,500 drawdown. Let me just look at that payout roll again before I get. Someone asked in the chat earlier. I forgot to answer. They're asking, is this a reputable firm? This is a Brett Sema firm. He's an influencer. He's a known influencer. He's been working on for this 2 years. It's only been around for 3 weeks, so there's no one that got a payout yet. But usually the new firms do, as long as they're future based, they're more secure than Forex. Yeah, straight funded. Let's see here. 5 accounts. Traditional. That's kind of traditional now. You need plus 100 of the profit over the drawdown limit. Yeah, so it was like 7,600, and then because it's roll, you need 10 trading days, and then 5 of those days need to be greater than $100. 2 payout cycles. So 100K is 3K payout. It's 3K, 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 3,500, 3,500, 3,500. Is there anything else I'm missing here? Oh, do they have different rules? Oh, it's a 35% consistency rule for the other accounts. I thought they were the same thing. Look at that. That's not bad. Wow, look at that dump. Can you explain why you're trading the way you are trading using chat instead of ICT? I'm kind of doing both. It's for entertainment. And I'm also using like a regular trading model. That entry here was just a, once we got a closer, took a buy side, retraced the inefficiency. This is basically what I was doing here. Stop at 60 here. I was gonna target this low here. Then I added another one based off the chat. And then we target this low. Pretty good. I mean, that's a 32-point trade there. Similar to Top Tip TV, I mean, they also listen and trade their viewers to get trades. All right, that's probably the wrap up for me today, though. Very successful day here. 157K, nice. I'll end the stream here, guys. We'll be back tomorrow. I think Thursday and Friday we have Lanto and Desi. Top Step do sales, they don't. You just gotta buy full price. Not full price, it's already marked down. That was a profitable stream though, surprisingly. It's not every time it's gonna be like that. I tried to incorporate some of my trading into this. This is a lot of trade though. Look how many trades this was. This is one account. And another account, look how many trades this was. It's like 4 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5. 5 and then the other account, 6 trades total. Alright. Have a good one, guys. Prepare for PPI. Join the Discord if you want. I just opened it up.